Hello Year 4. Today in reading we are going to retrieve and record information. We are continuing to look through the book Sky Song and we are moving on to chapter 2. First thing I want you to do though is last week think about what we looked at in the prologue and chapter 1. So, first task, think through what can you remember about the story so far. Pause the video and have a quick think for me. So some of the things that might have come up in your head, and these are just a few ideas, are elements of Erkenwald and it being created by the North Sky God, the fact that there are 3 tribes, an evil Ice Queen is ruling the land of Winterfang, Esker is a prisoner in a music box, and a character is out to try and save their parent. So Flint, who we're going to look at in chapter 2. So what I'd like you to do is listen to the beginning of chapter 2 up to It's Tonight when they're distracted. So there's a link on your sheets. If you can pause the video and come back to this video afterwards, we can work through the tasks that you're going to do today. Okay, so now that you've listened to a section of chapter 2, you also have a copy in your pack. So you should have been sent as well pages 14 and 15. So these are the first 2 pages of chapter 2. We're looking at a character called Flint, who we looked at in the blurb. So Flint is on his way to Winterfang Palace. So your task is to look through these questions on your sheet. So if you're doing the Sapphire Challenge, I've given you a section of the text, which is just the first few sentences. And your task is to read through this and answer these questions. So all these questions are found in this little section of the text. Bronze, your task is to look at the whole of page 14. So that's included in the resources that you should have. And you've got 3 questions as well. And all the answers to these questions are in page 14. So have a look through that for me. If you're doing silver, you've got pages 14 and 15 to look at, and you've got 3 questions as well. And you've got a challenge question. So if you finish these 3, I'd like you to have a go at the challenge and see if you can answer that question as well. And gold, you've got pages 14 and 15 as well, and you've got 4 questions and a challenge question to look through. So to do this, you need to make sure that you understand and can read through the text. So again, here is the text, and you should have a copy. But if not, you can pause the video here and have a read through. Try and find the key information for the question. So read through the question first and see if you can find it within the text. Highlight it, underline it, make notes, whatever you need to do to make sure that you find that information. Thank you very much, Year 4. You've got this. Stay safe, and we'll speak again soon. Bye.